That deploy file is a ClickOnce deployment manifest, the mechanism that distributes .NET applications through seamless web-based installation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install or troubleshoot these application deployment files. Let's keep this in our back pocket. I have a specialized, rarely known method for opening deploy files when conventional applications give up. Here's a hint. Our ultimate backup plan is listed below. Deploy files are ClickOnce deployment artifacts for .NET applications containing application files renamed with the deploy extension to bypass web server MIME type restrictions. They are downloaded and processed by the ClickOnce installer during application deployment. ClickOnce deploy files are standard application binaries, DLLs, EXEs, or data files renamed with an appended deploy extension. The ClickOnce deployment manifest references these files, and the installer strips the extension during installation, restoring original file names. The deploy proprietary design mandates association with Microsoft Visual Studio from Microsoft Corporation. The proprietary indexing requires careful handling to avoid critical file system errors. Windows may show the structure, but only knowledgeable users should modify configuration entries. The solution is usually simple compatibility. Right-click your deploy file and choose Open With. If Microsoft Visual Studio is there, test it now. If not, choose another application. Keep going until the deploy file opens. If the deploy file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. If the file is still stuck, the issue requires confirmation. We need to test the following critical points right now to see the exact origin of the problem. First, installing the application. Double-click the ClickOnce application manifest.application file to begin installation. The ClickOnce installer will download all deploy files, automatically strip the deploy extension, and install the application. Accept any security prompts to complete the installation process. Next, troubleshooting installation. If ClickOnce installation fails, open Event Viewer and check application logs for deployment errors. Clear the ClickOnce application cache by running rundle32df shim clean online app cache in the Run dialog. Retry the installation from the original deployment URL. Finally, manual file extraction. If you need to inspect deploy files, manually rename them by removing the .deploy extension to reveal the original file type. A file named app.exe deploy becomes app.exe after renaming. This allows inspection of the application binaries outside the ClickOnce deployment framework. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.